Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Let us start today's class. Let's recap what we have learnt in our previous videos. We were learning about the lesson tools of word processor. So word processor are the softwares which are used to create the professional looking documents. We can type text in computer and save the work what we do and take a printout of that in the computer. So that is possible with the word processor softwares. We have many word processor software, and that the popular word processor software is Microsoft Word. So children, look here. In computer we can type the text in different places. So here you can see the same sentence is starting from the left side and it is pushed to the right side, and it is at the center, and it is completely both the edges are covered. That too, it is even in both the edges. There is no space in left side or right side. So in this way we can place our text in MS Word. We can type, we can place. So we can keep our text in either left side. Sometimes if you need to type your lesson name or heading of the topic, so we usually type that in the center. So in such cases we may need to type the text at the center or place the text at the center. So today we are going to learn about the alignment of text in MS Word. So how to change that alignment. Let us see what is alignment first. Alignment refers to the placement of text on a page with respect to the left and right margins. Alignment refers to the placement of text, where we are going to place the text on a page with respect to the left and right margin. Between left and right margin, where we are going to place the text, whether it is center or from left side or right side or both evenly. So about that we are going to learn today. So alignment refers to the placement of text on a page with respect to the left and right margins. In MS Word, we have 4 types of alignment: left align, center, right align and justify. Here you can see the picture how the icons will be on the MS Word ribbon. Different types of alignment. Let us learn about each of this alignment in detail. First one, align left or left alignment. So it places the text towards the left margin. It places the text towards the left margin, leaving a ragged right edge. Leaving a ragged right edge. Ragged means uneven, so which will not be regular in space. So it places the text towards the left margin. So whatever the text you will be typing, it will start from left margin. This is called as left alignment. So here you can see the picture which shows you the paragraph aligned left. You can see all the lines of the paragraph. It is starting from left side. Let's move to the next one, that is align right or right alignment. As the text will be placed from the left side in left alignment, here it is right alignment. It places the text towards the right margin, leaving a ragged left edge. In left side we may get uneven space or irregular space over there, blank space, but from the right side margin all the lines will be even. It will start at the same point. So it places the text towards the right margin, leaving a ragged left edge. Here you can see a picture which shows you the paragraph aligned right. Let's move to the next alignment, that is center or center alignment. It places the text in the center of the left and right margin. So between both the margin we can place the text at the center using center alignment. Here you can see the picture which shows you they have used center alignment paragraph. So even the heading how to center align text, that also you can see it is at the center. Let's move to the next alignment, that is justify. It places the text in such a way that the text is equally distributed between both the margins and none of the edges of the text appear ragged. So both left and right margin, it makes equal. The letters will be equal at both the corners of that margin. Between the letters or words, it increases the spaces. So in this justify alignment, the paragraphs we can align by equal distribution in the left and right margin. This is called as justify alignment. It places the text in such a way that text is equally distributed between both the margins and none of the edges. I am saying none of the edges, the end line or end points of the text appear ragged. In the sense, it will not be uneven. There will be no space in both the end points. It will be equal. So here you can see a picture which shows you the justify aligned paragraph. Children, we learned about 4 types of alignment. So we can do this, we can select these alignments by using alignment buttons which are present on the home tab of ribbon. So we have another option to align the text in computer, that is in MS Word. So these are the 4 shortcut keys which we can use to align the text in MS Word. Ctrl plus L, Ctrl plus E, Ctrl plus R, Ctrl plus J. Let us see for which one we are going to use which shortcut key. So we can use Ctrl plus L shortcut key to align the text left. For left alignment, we can use Ctrl plus L. It is to center align the text. Ctrl plus R to right align the text. Ctrl plus J to justify the text. These are the shortcut keys which we can use to align the text using keyboard in MS Word. Children, let us see a video about text alignment in MS Word.
Alignment is the way in which you place the text in your document. Word provides you mainly 4 types of alignments. Align left. The text is aligned along the left margin. Align right. The text is aligned along the right margin. Center. The text is aligned between the left and the right margins. Justify. The text is aligned evenly between the left and right margins. To change the alignment, the steps are: Step 1. Select the paragraph or place your cursor anywhere inside the paragraph. Step 2. Click the Home tab, choose the appropriate button for alignment in the paragraph group and see the change in the paragraph. Pollution is the spoiling of land, air and water. Smoke from vehicles, factories and houses fouls the air. Garbage from houses is thrown in open space. This pollutes the land and air. In left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justification.
Children, let's recap what we learned today. We learned about alignment of text in MS Word. That is the placement of text between left and right margin in MS Word. And we also learned about changing the alignment. Alignment refers to the placement of text on a page with respect to the left and right margins. We have 4 types of alignment. Left alignment, it places the text towards the left margin, leaving a ragged right edge. This is the picture which shows the paragraph which is aligned left. Right alignment, it places the text towards the right margin, leaving a ragged left edge. Picture that shows right aligned paragraph. Center alignment, it places the text in the center of the left and right margins. The picture that shows the center aligned text. Justify alignment, it places the text in such a way that the text is equally distributed between both the margins and none of the edges of the text appear ragged. Both the left and right margin, you can see the text will be equally distributed. This is called as justify alignment. We also learnt about the shortcut keys for these 4 types of alignment. Ctrl plus L to left, Ctrl plus E to center, Ctrl plus R to right and Ctrl plus J to justify align the text in MS Word. Hope you understood, children. Alignment, types of alignment, alignment using keyboard shortcuts. This is your home assignment. I request you to write this in your homework book. Thank you, children.